So hi guys, as you have bought the domain, so the next part is getting a hosting. So there are two ways of getting a hosting. One is actually a free hosting which is provided by AWS, that is Amazon Web Services. But I wouldn't recommend to go for a AWS because a cPanel hosting can give you a backup for daily, and at the same time this is one of the cheapest hosting which I am going to tell you in the market. It comes with only 60 rupees per month. You heard it right. So that is the cheapest amount for a hosting. And the best part of this hosting is that you get a free SSL, and you can get a email, and at the same time you can also get a daily backup. So one of the most important thing which I think you would be helpful for you is the backup, because you can make a mistake. So in middle of the tutorial of any designing of the website you can always make a mistake, but what you have to do is actually you just go to the cpanel and just click the restore button, and your website which you have worked yesterday would be restored. So you don't have to start from the scratch once you are and you have encountered some mistakes. So let's go by and see how we are gonna get this cheap hosting here. So just scroll down and click on this. I have elaborated the step here. You can just click on this vapor host. You can either open this in a new tab, which I would recommend you, so you don't lose this step here. Just open link in new tab and then just go for order a host, and then you can see three options. You don't have to go with the second or third option. You can go with this monthly 60 rupees option, which would 5 GB SSD, 50 GB of bandwidth, and one website and premium support and automated backup. This is what I was talking about. This is one of the best thing I feel. So just click on order now. So the domain name which you have bought here, you should type that domain name. For in my case, it is New Vista new.com, and just click on use. Okay, so it will tell you the 60 rupees INR due today. Just click on this and go for this semi annually. That is, you just have to pay for half of the year in the first stage. Click on continue. That is, you will be getting a hosting for 6 months. That is 360 rupees. And there is no promo code because you have already got the offer. Just click on checkout. So guys, you will be redirected to this page where you have to enter your informations. I think sign up with Google. I just have tried and it didn't work out. So you may have to enter your details manually. So I'm just entering my details here. Sign. So let's do one thing. This is not my email address. Always use this etc. Hmm. Sign to me. Then just click on Razor Pay if you have a credit card or UPI or anything, and PayPal if you have a PayPal account. I would always recommend you for going for Razor Pay because I feel this one is an easier one. Just click on I have agreed the complete terms of service and just click on complete order. Hope I have already entered everything. See, you can have a three-step way. Either you can enter your UPI, or you can enter your card details, net banking, or you can use some wallet. For example, if you're using a card, just enter your card details and click on pay 360 and enter your OTP, and that will be done. If you're using a UPI, you just have to enter a UPI ID and then just go to the UPI particular app and just uh, pay the amount, or you can also go for a QR code. So this is one of the easiest method, as I can say. So I don't want to buy a domain. You just do this and you will get all the details into your email address. So let's have already finished the buying a hosting. So next one is actually connecting the domain name to your hosting, and before that installing a WordPress in your hosting and then connecting your domain to the hosting. So let's go for the section next section, and you will be easily able to do that.